Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to get a home button on your iPhone. As you know, the home button is useful in case it is easier for you to have a button to return to the home and not have to keep sliding up the screen, or if the iPhone home button has been broken and you want to add one to the screen, the home button is what you see on the screen. This is a function that Apple gives us so that when we press it, it goes to the beginning. How can we activate it? Well, we will continue these steps. First of all, we will go into settings and scroll down until we find accessibility. Within accessibility, we will go into text size and display. Once we are in here, we will go back and click general. Within general,